Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 72 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young and it's absolutely fantastic. You can find this book at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Amazon. You can also get it on Audible as well. Oh gracious, we got a big airplane going over. Okay, that was super loud. Anyways, I guess that's it. So let's just jump right in. Okay, number 72. Let me give y'all the verses for the day. Y'all, this is a really, really good devotional. I just like to give you all these verses. That way you can go back and, just see how the Lord's using these throughout your day. I got some really good ones today. Okay. So the first 5-6 words of this, I want you to definitely hear, okay? Waiting, trusting, and hoping are intricately connected. Like golden strands interwoven to form a strong chain. Trusting is the central strand because it is the response from my children that I desire the most. Waiting and hoping embellish the central strand and strengthen the chain that connects you to me. Waiting for me to work with your eyes on me is evident that you really do trust me. If you mouth the words, "I trust you," while anxiously trying to make things go your way, your words ring hollow. Hoping is future direction, connecting you to your inheritance in heaven. However, the benefits of hope fall fully on you in the present. Because you are mine, you don't just pass time in your waiting. You can wait expectantly in hopeful trust. Keep your attention. I have no idea how to say this word, y'all. Antenae. I'll put it up on the screen. Keep your antennae, I don't know, out to pick up even the faintest glimmer of my presence. Because you are mine, you don't just pass time in waiting. You can wait expectantly in hopeful trust. Keeping your eye out to pick up even the faintest glimmer of my presence. You should be looking for God with your eyes wide open. Hoping and trusting. Just like it says, waiting for me to work with your eyes on me is evidence that you really do trust me. If you mouth the words, "I trust you," while anxiously trying to make things go your way, your words ring hollow. You can't just say, "I trust you, Lord," and then steadily be trying to make things go the way that you want them to go. If you trust God, leave it alone. Let God's work be done. And watch and wait for it. Look for it. Expect it. If you truly believe that, then expect that God is going to work in your life. But you can't just say, "I trust you," and then go on about your business doing whatever you want to do. It doesn't work like that. You have to truly wholeheartedly trust God. Trust that His decisions are the best. Trust that His plan for your life is perfect. I'm constantly looking for the Lord. I don't want to miss any blessings. I do not want to just wander aimlessly through this life without learning lessons and looking for God. I want to see God every chance I get. Yeah. All right, let's do the verses. Do not let your hearts be troubled. Trust in God. Trust also in me. John 14:1. Wait for the Lord. Be strong and take heart and wait for the Lord. Psalms 27:14. God did this so that by two unchangeable things in which it is impossible for God to lie, we who have fled to take hold of the hope offered to us may be greatly encouraged. We have this hope as an anchor for our soul, firm and secure. It enters the inner sanctuary behind the curtain where Jesus, who went before us, has entered on our behalf. He has become a high priest forever in order of Melchizedek. I don't know. I can't say that word either. Hebrews 6:18-20. Man, this is good. Waiting, trusting, and hoping are intricately connected. Waiting for me to work with your eyes on me is evidence that you really do trust me. Look for the Lord. Keep your eyes wide open. Do not be distracted by the world. Just keep your eyes on God. See what He can do in your life. I promise you, you will be very surprised. But you have to truly, truly trust Him. All right, if you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely does help my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me today. Truly thank you. And y'all have a blessed day.